For exercise 3.2, add minimal structure, we are still working in GitHub inside of week 3. I'll navigate to week 3. We already have index.html, and if you follow the directions in the book, they'll tell you to open this and replace the text. But rather than doing that, so that it's not so difficult for your instructor to grade your assignment, we're going to do it just a little bit different. Let's make sure that, once again, we're at the root of your week 3 folder. I clicked on my username.github.io link. I will click on week 03, and rather than just clicking into the index and changing it, to make it life a little bit easier, I'm going to click on Add File, create a new file, and we're just going to call this one index2.html. It will not go directly to the page when we open up the folder, but it'll be easier to navigate if we concentrate on just using the right URLs. I'll click on the body of the file, which is blank. And from the assignment, I'll do the same thing that I did the last time, which is I will highlight all of the text, right-click to copy, go back to the new file, click inside of the editor, press Ctrl-V as in Victor to paste, and then follow the directions in the assignment on your page 58 in the book. It will tell you to start typing in some parts of the HTML code that are important. I'll do a couple of them just so that you understand what's happening. In step number 1, it tells us to declare this as an HTML file. So what that means is you can either start typing or press enter a couple of times to give you the space, and then just navigate up with the cursor keys. I'm going to open up the left bracket, the angle bracket, and use an exclamation point and type in all capital letters DOCTYPE. So the document type is going to be HTML, and that's in lowercase HTML. This declares this document as an HTML5 document. To complete this exercise, complete steps 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when you're done with all the typing, scroll down, commit your new file, pressing the green button. And what you will be turning in is going to be the URL for index 2. It's easier if you just highlight the username.github.io and the week 3 plus index2.html. Right click and tell the browser to travel to IMED 1416 or to your username.github.io. It currently is still loading, but this is going to be the correct URL. Give it a few minutes to load up to GitHub, and should be all right. I'm reloading, and there's my index2 page with the correct source in the page. It's just what I typed in plus the doctype.html, or rather the doctype.html code at the top. Make sure that you complete all the steps in the book assignment and turn in that URL for a grade.